How to cut video on Instagram story before posting. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can cut your video in order to upload it on Instagram story. Now if you open up Instagram and head over to the plus icon at the bottom of your screen, or you can tap on your story plus icon there, then you'll be able to add in your story or select what you want to add, right? If you head over to story. Now however, if you're willing to upload a particular video and it's longer than a minute and you want to upload the end part of it as such, then you won't be able to crop it. The Instagram will automatically upload the first 1 minute of your video, right? Now in order to crop it, what you want to do is you want to head back and head over to the plus icon there. So once you select the video here, what you want to do is you want to tap on next, and now you want to tap on the option here that says stream at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you tap on trim, now you want to select the part here that you wish to trim here. Once you have trimmed it, you want to tap on the arrow icon at the top left again, and then you'll find the save icon at the top right corner. You want to save it once you have trimmed the part that you wish to upload to story, and then you want to simply tap on start again and go back, and this time head over to story option and then upload the particular video that you wish to download after you have cut it. So this is the way. Now you can use other apps as well to cut your video, but this is your method since you don't have to go through all other apps in order to cut the video first, save it and then upload it. You can simply cut it on the post option there and then upload it to your story. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.